How's it, truck owners? Check out the latest project I got for you today. My very own DIY adjustable and modular bed rack using Unistrut. But before I proceed, I would like to say thank you to all of the YouTuber out there who shared their truck bed racks projects. I've learned a lot from you all, so I'm now sharing my ideas. So let's dive in. If you're like me and wants to maximize and securely stashing your gear beneath your truck tonneau cover, you need to watch this. After searching high and low the internet, I couldn't find anything quite like my design, making it a unique solution for my truck bed needs. The question comes to mind, is it better than name brand? I'll let you decide. A quick heads up, this isn't a step-by-step tutorial, but more of a showcase on how I brought my vision to life. Enjoy easy access to your truck bed by swiftly adjusting, adding, or removing crossbars. It's all about making your life easier and keeping your prized possessions safe. Transform the space above your tonneau cover into a versatile storage heaven without compromising the security of your valuables inside the covered bed. In summary, it's strong, it's adjustable, it's modular, and it's built with truck in mind. So gear up, truck enthusiast. Your next adventure awaits with this one-of-a-kind bed rack solution. This bed rack is your ticket to optimizing storage for all your winter and summer gear. Skis, snowboards, canoes, kayaks, surfboards, bikes, camping gear, you name it, sky's the limit. This rack's got you covered, and the best part, it won't break your bank. Crafted with Unistrut, it's not just lightweight and robust, it's also a breeze to install and remove. The low profile keeps it slick, and you can snag all the parts you need at your local hardware store. Subscribe and I'll show you how I did it. Now enjoy and appreciate God creation, the great outdoor. Enjoy the rest of the videos.